I'm gonna show you a little something that's gonna blow your mind when it comes to stainless steel, your stovetop, your oven, and your refrigerator. This simple trick even works on your shower doors. Let me just show you. All right, do you see my stainless steel sink? Let me get you in there real close. Do you see these water spots? And we have soft water, by the way. I will clean my sink with Barkeeper's Friend. All the things that are supposed to remove hard water spots. Vinegar. The trick that I'm gonna show you here will work with vinegar, but just straight up vinegar and a sponge is not gonna do it. Look at that right there. But now let me show you this side. Do you notice there are none of those white spots on this side of the sink? But if we move, yep, there it is. The camera's picking up right here. Look at, boom. I'm gonna show you what I did. Anything I talk about will be linked in that description box below. Get yourself some gloves. I love these from Amazon. You're gonna get yourself some citric acid. You certainly could use vinegar, but I like citric acid because it has a little bit of grit without damage. The next thing that you're gonna get, good old plastic wrap, my friend. A good sponge. You can get your sponges from the Dollar Tree if you like. If you have a lot of scratches in your stainless steel sink, I will link a video in the description box below to help you with that. Pour your citric acid in a bowl, and then we're just gonna get a little bit of warm water. Boop, like so. I probably got a little bit too much there, but that's okay. We can add a little bit more. We have a lot of ground area to cover. Two sides of the sponge. For the application, I'm gonna use the softer side, and we're just gonna get this all around your sink. Now, just a word of caution, when you are using citric acid, basically people use this to can, but keep your face away from it because you get it up your nose and it's got a little tinge for you. But you wanna get this all around where you have those stains, the splatters, the burnt on grease, whatever it is that's stuck in your oven, the top of your gas stove, or any sort of stove that you have, inside your refrigerator, your shower door. You're gonna do this exact same method on anything. Next, you're gonna take your plastic wrap and cover the area. Now, it's best to do this at night. That way no one is using the appliance that you are covering and it can sit for longer. That's one of the tricks when it comes to cleaning. Time and the right tool. There we go. We're gonna let this sit as long as possible. I let mine sit for 2 hours, but if yours is really bad, you're gonna wanna let it sit for longer. It's 11:02 now. Well, we let that sit. One thing that is deceiving, thumbs up if you've ever experienced this before, you've cleaned your sink with vinegar, Barkeeper's Friend, doing it the traditional way, and then you dry it up, and then it looks real nice. But however, the drier your sink gets, the more those water spots start to shine through. And I'm telling you right now, here, my friend, this trick, that will not happen to you. Look at that, they are gone. One other little trick here, if you have mineral deposits around your sink like we often get, is to take just a little razor blade, and again, these are linked in the description box below, and you want to get underneath all of that. You see right here, look at all of that. Your sink is gonna look better than ever with these genius tricks. Let me just show you before, after. Right here's where I did, and this is where I did nothing. I wonder if this is how satisfied a dental hygienist feels when they are removing plaque from your teeth. Well, that's sitting. I do like to get a little Dollar Tree rubbing alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, put it in your sink to clear that out and make it smell amazing while killing bacteria. Once that has sat and killed all the odor-causing bacteria, take your favorite essential oil, I love lemon, and drop it on in there. Here's another fun little trick in a place we often miss. I got this at the Dollar Tree, but get yourself just an old cleaning toothbrush. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna spray down my toothbrush, and inside here, disinfects fabric and air freshener, eucalyptus scent. All right, moving in here to the garbage disposal. Want to make sure that you get underneath this rubber part. I'm going to show you. I do this about weekly and it gets so gross. I hate garbage disposal. Let me just pull it out for you. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that make you want to throw up? Not only will your house be cleaner than ever after this, but it will smell better than ever. It is 1:52 p.m. Let's check it. I'm so excited. Go ahead and peel this off. Now, if you did this on your stove or oven, it would be really satisfying because as you peel this off, you'd watch a bunch of that grease and grime come off with it as well. Now I'm just gonna take the same sponge that I used earlier. I still have a little bit left in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just dip it around. And now I'm going to go ahead and rub all around the sink here just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna rinse it, dry it, and show you the results. Time to rinse Give it a little dry. I have done a preliminary dry, but I'm gonna let it dry even more because you know sometimes how you wipe down your sink and you're like, oh, that's amazing. And then an hour later you come back and you see all the mineral deposits. Let's take a peek. Let's pop on screen that before picture. Yes, see what it looks like? My friend, this sink looks better than ever. I see a little spot that I missed right here, but I did that prior to filming this video, but look at that. Remember the spot over here? How bad it was? Yes, much, much better. If you want to permanently get rid of those mineral deposits, this is the best trick in the book for you, using all natural cleaners. Now here's another little trick. You're gonna go ahead and get yourself some coconut oil, a little microfiber towel, and again I'll link my favorite microfiber towels in the description box below, and then you're just gonna buff. You're gonna buff with that coconut oil. This is gonna also help repel water so that you do not have to do this as often in the future. As a bonus, head on over to AndreaJeanCleaning.com, also linked in that description box below. Click here for your free printables. Scroll down and you will get your free access to an all-natural cleaning checklist. I'm gonna show you something real scary. This is the part where I did some stain removal in a previous video, again linked below. This is the part that I did not. You can tell the drastic difference, yes. Okay, look at in here. This is behind where I would keep my dish scrubber and our soap. Look at how bad that is, right in there. Can you see the drastic line right here to here? Now, look at how beautiful this stainless steel sink is. And my friend, the sink is over 12 years old and it is looking shinier than ever. Oh yeah, that part's real nasty. Mama's gonna need to take this off and do some cleaning. Now, if you wanna know why you should soak your broom in salt at night, click the video on screen now, or if you're just looking for some amazing Amazon gift ideas, click this video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.